1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 6. How to find the value of x? Now here, these are fractions and it is an addition of fraction, but here instead of a number we have a variable. So we have to find this value of x. Whenever there is this kind of linear equation where you have to find the value of x, what we do? We keep variables to one side and numbers to one side. So this we can write here 1 upon x and then send this 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3 to the right hand side. So 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 6. 1 upon 2 is positive 1 upon 2, so it will be negative 1 upon 2. Whenever you change the side, positive sign becomes negative, negative signs becomes positive, multiplication becomes division, and division becomes multiplication. Multiplication, division, they are reciprocal action, so they change, and addition, subtraction, they are reciprocal action. You change the symbol whenever you change the side, whether you change from left to right or right to left. Now here it will be minus 1 upon 2, then minus 1 upon 3. Now let's solve the fractions here. First of all, we will find the LCD of 6, 2 and 3. To find the LCD of 6, 2 and 3, there are two methods. The first method is listing method. In listing method, we list all the multiples of 6, 2 and 3 and find the common multiple which is common for all three numbers 6, 2 and 3, and that number should be the smallest one. Now the multiples of 6 are 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, and so on we can write. Then multiples of 2, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, 8, 12. Then write the multiples of 3, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 9, 12. Now here you can see that 6 and 12, these two are common multiples in all three numbers 6, 2 and 3. But we have to find the least one. Least, that means the smallest common multiple. So between 6 and 12, 6 is the smaller one. So 6 will be the least common multiple, LCM, or least common denominator. So this is called listing method. Second method is division method. We write all the numbers for which we have to find the LCD and then divide all the numbers by the same number. For example, 6, 2 and 3, we have to see whether at least two numbers, either these two or 6 or 3, they are divisible by the number that we are choosing for division. So let's divide 6, 2 and 3 by 2. 3 will not be divisible by 2, but 6 and 2 are divisible by 2. So 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 1 is 2, and write 3 as it is not divisible. Now 3, we can divide it by 3. So 3 times 1 is 3, then 1, and then 3 times 1 is 3. Now no number left to divide. LCD will be 2 times 3, that is 6. So 6 is the LCD. So these are two methods to find LCD. So write here now LCD. Now write the least common multiple here, 6. Now we divide this least common multiple by the denominators. So 6 divided by 6 is 1, and then multiply it with the numerator. So 1 times 1 is 1, then minus. Again divide 6 by 2, answer is 3, then multiply it with the numerator. So 3, then minus. 3 times 2 is 6. That means 6 divided by 3 will be 2. So 2 times 1 is 2. Or 1 upon x is equal to 1 minus 3 and minus 2 will be minus 5 upon 6. Or 1 upon x is equal to 1 minus 5 will be minus 4 upon 6. Now divide both numerator and denominator by 2. So it will be 1 upon x is equal to minus 2 upon 3. Or we cross multiply it, then 3 will be multiplied to 1, x multiplied minus 2. So minus 2x is equal to 3, or we divide both the side by minus 2, x will be minus 3 upon 2. this minus in the denominator can be written in the numerator by multiplying and dividing it by minus 1. So this minus and this minus will be plus 1 and this will be minus 3 upon 2. So x is equal to minus 3 upon 2. We can verify this answer. The value of x that we got, it is minus 3 upon 2. X is here in the denominator. So 1 upon x will be 1 upon minus 3 upon 2. This means 1 is divided by minus 3 upon 2. And when we convert division into multiplication, the number after that gets inverted. So it will be 1 multiplied to minus 2 upon 3, or it will be minus 2 upon 3. So instead of 1 upon x, we can write here 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 plus minus 2 upon 3. Now we have to check whether LHS is equal to RHS, 1 upon 6. Now find the LCD of 2, 3 and 3 by division method. Here it will be divisible by 3. At least two numbers are divisible by 3. Not to write 2 as it is. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. LCD will be 3 times 2, that is 6. So write 6 here. Now 6 divided by 2 is 3 and 3 times 1 is 3 plus 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2 minus 6 divided by 3 is 2 and 2 times minus 2 is. Now this plus and this minus, plus minus will be minus, plus multiplied to minus is minus, minus multiplied to minus is plus. So this is plus multiplied to minus, so this will be minus 4. 6 divided by 3 is 2 and 2 multiplied to minus 2 is minus 4, or 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 4 upon 6. Check whether it is equal to 1 upon 6. 5 minus 4 is 1 upon 6 and this side also 1 upon 6. LHS, left hand side, is equal to right hand side. Answer is verified. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section.